In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete invoice in Jobber. By the end, you'll confidently navigate to the invoice you want to remove and complete the deletion safely, with a few tips to avoid common pitfalls. Start by opening Jobber in your web browser and signing into your account. Make sure you're using a profile with permission to manage invoices. If your access is restricted, the delete option may not appear. Once you're on the dashboard, we'll head straight to the invoices area. From the main navigation, click Invoices. This takes you to your invoice list, where you can see status, client names, dates, and balances. If you have a long list, use the search bar to find a specific client or invoice number, or sort and filter to narrow things down. Before you open anything, take a second to confirm the status. Some invoices, like those that are paid, partially paid, or synced to accounting, may have restrictions on deletion. Next, click the client name or the specific invoice you want to delete to open it. This step is all about accuracy. Double-check that you've selected the correct invoice by reviewing the client, the line items, the total, and the date. If you're unsure, consider opening it in a new browser tab so you can compare details without losing your place in the list. With the invoice open, look for the Edit option. You'll typically find it near the top of the page. Click Edit to enter the editable view of the invoice. You don't need to change any fields. This is simply the place where Jobber provides actions like deleting. Inside the edit view, locate the delete option. It may appear as a button or within an overflow menu, depending on your screen size. Click delete and when prompted, confirm that you want to permanently remove the invoice. Deleting an invoice cannot be undone, so be certain before you confirm. If the system prevents the deletion because the invoice has a recorded payment, is part of a batch, or is synced to accounting software, you'll need to resolve those links or contact an administrator before trying again. As a best practice, if you need a record for your files, download or export a copy before you delete. After confirming, you'll be taken back to your invoices list. Refresh the page to verify the invoice no longer appears. That's it. You've successfully deleted an invoice in Jobber while keeping your records clean and accurate.